within SolidWorks that made us work are easy to search anything, any part within the server field, server farm in your company, or maybe delivering your projects faster. SolidWorks made it all easy. In case of data security, every person asks that how will my data be secured on the cloud? So the concerns were raised and doubts were solved quickly by SolidWorks for you by Dassault Systems. We are a problem solving company. We are design innovative company, and we deliver products much more efficiently and the products main role. Followed by this, we'll see the AI taxonomy. So here is a chart about how AI works in SolidWorks. So AI can make your product faster. AI field, artificial intelligence field, wherein it studies a basic human nature about how the human functions or how they think. It helps you predict your next move and help you make your work easy. With that comes machine learning. It will find patterns within the data that you have been using or that you have been making till now. So let's say that, as we know, in 2025 SolidWorks, there was a command predictor which used to see your workflow, and then it used to make that thread much more easier and faster rather than the basic practice of loading, then using the RAM and then working on it. Generative AI that will create images that will help you create images into 3D model. This is an ingoing project that will help you in future, wherein you just have to click a picture and then that image will get converted into a 3D model. AI revolutions in SolidWorks. So as we are heading to the next generation, it will help you automate, assist, and co-create. So in automate, so it will make your day-to-day work smoother, easier, like using smart mates that we have been using since ages now, or maybe auto dimensioning in case of repetitive steps. So in automate, what it will do is it will basically help you do tedious tasks, simple tasks, much more simpler way, like making dimensions. Now, while giving dimension, what we do, we just click on the dimension and then we click on the part and then give it dimension one by one. But rather than in the automate task, it will help you give dimension directly, followed by assist. Now, assist looks way ahead, anticipating your issues. Like let's say you want to optimize your design or you want to ask for suggestion. You can just ask the AI model of SolidWorks, that is Aura, and it will help you in making your work easier.
Use right now. So we will just take a quick look over all these tools. So automate AI is all about saving you clicks and reducing a daily frustration. Here are 6 examples.
Can be generated and integrated into our assembly. Now, this is a virtual test that has been done where you can have simulation or FEA run on these models very effectively and have your results as well as stress analysis on the go. Next, when we have some geometry to be converted, let's say a reverse engineering part. Now we generate a preview, but do is just a normal thing that we already get with our import files. But in future, if with the help of the experience platform, it will be beneficial to have the whole design tree with you. That is your design features constructed inside your SolidWorks, where you don't need to redesign or recreate all the bodies from your mesh files. Going ahead, let's say you have your part ready, but now you want to dimension that 3D model with the help of the assistive AI. Now here, as you can see, we have done sketch as well as we have generated constraints, radiuses, as well as we have provided the dimensions, where AI is also assisting you whether and which dimension to provide, what tolerances to provide to have the effective manufacturing of the component. All this just inside your sketch command on the 3D experience platform. Now let's say you have a reverse engineered model, but it is not properly scanned or some data is missing. Now in future we can have regrowth or self-healing algorithms which will create or help you to have create or provide you instances how the other half or the missing data might be or might look inside.
So now users uses transformer-based AI trained on anonymized workflows from thousands of users. Predicts your next command based on the context, whether you are sketching, modeling, or in assembly. Okay, so this is the command predictor, as Aseem said before, that there are command application, which is a part of a 3D experience SolidWorks. Okay. So user selects a single end plate and launches the design assistant, and the AI-powered design assistant immediately shows other places where similar end plates can be created in no time. So the structure part has been more improvised in SolidWorks. AI is already in SolidWorks today, built into smart, assistive, predictive, and generative tools. Shorten the rendering process by predicting a final result from an early and noisy intermediate result. You get high quality results 10 times faster. The denoiser was trained using tens of thousands of images rendered from 1000 3D scenes. Many of the 3D scenes originally came from Home by Me in collaboration with Dassault Systèmes. You have just seen how AI is shaping sketching, drawings, rendering, simulation, and matching, machining. Now imagine having one AI companion that brings all of the intelligence together. That is on.
Manufactured in the virtual environment on the go, where you can have your analysis and also your inspection before you actually manufacture the part. Next, just let's go to the rendering part, where you can have Aura for your help, where it will assign the appearances as or analyze the assembly model, provide you answers regarding whether how to create the different kind of renderings based on your instructions. So let's say this is a rendering based on your model, where you have now, as you can see, it is assisting you in your PLM tasks as well, and creating the drawing along with your revision and changing your revision as well. So this is all we can expect from SolidWorks and 3D Experience platform in the future in the form of AI features. Now the main or primary focus is how you can take action or how you can utilize these components that are currently present and in the future that are yet to come. First is using Aura as your with your existing cloud services as your assistance in your design tasks.